أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So I recited 22nd ayat of Surah Baqarah. In this ayat, Allah expresses His blessings upon us, like the earth that have been given to us, the place to live, and the sky as a canopy, as a ceiling for us, and then the water, the rain that comes from the sky, and fruits and vegetables and our crops, they grow on the surface of the earth. That is risk for us. So then Allah wants only one thing, that Allah said, don't make partnership with Allah, don't make rivals with Allah. So this is the need Allah said only. So we can read it now. Allazi, Allazi is just for one. When one say something, then we use Allazi. For the more people, we say Allazina. So Allazi, the one, mean Allah. Allazi, the one, Allah who ja'ala lakum, ja'ala, who made lakum for you. Allazi ja'ala lakum, the one Allah who made for you lakumul arda, the earth. So Allah made earth for us. Firashan, a resting place. Firashan, firash mean farsh, like floor. That's earth or the land. This is floor for us. It is a resting place for us. So it is because we are the people, we have been made from the earthen material. This way, needs of our body, every type of need that our body, which is made up of earthen material, so its needs are completely fulfilled by the earth and the material that earth contains. So this way Allah said, I send down you on the surface of the earth where you can have everything which you need. So this way all of your needs have been provided to you on the surface of earth. So this way Allah said, Allazi ja'ala lakumul arda firashan. The one Allah who made for you the earth a resting place, a floor, was samaa, and the sky. Sama, sky. Bina'an, bina mean the canopy, the ceiling. This look like ceiling for us. You can see, like this is the biggest atmosphere. It is like a earth is like a floor, and the sky is like a ceiling. And you can see, you can enjoy ceiling like sky. It help us every way. Like when there is sun shining in the morning, we say is the daytime now, working time, and we can make our timetable like working and different type of works and things we do. So then the moon comes and star comes at night. That is source of resting and sleeping and look like nice, even if you look is sleeping at the open place, when like in the areas like in Asia and like Africa and some other areas where are hot areas, people they sleep mostly in the open atmosphere. They can see the stars and moon, and that nice, they feel very nice and cool, and then they enjoy the sleeping. So this way Allah said, this is like, even you can see the other thing, like from the sky is the sun. It also gives us like light, and this is like our temperature on the earth. So that which is need for us. So that need is fulfilled by the sun also. So, and we can see many things, many blessings we can see. The if you look at the ceiling, like the canopy, like sky, so too much blessings they are falling on us. Then Allah said, "Wa anzala." Wa and anzala mean sent down, and sent down minas samai, from the sky. Ma'an, water, and Allah sent down water from the sky. It means the rain. Allah sent rain from the sky. فَأَخْرَجَ بِهِ, and with that, akhraja is come out. What comes out from the surface of the earth? Bihi, with that. Minas samarat, samarat mean fruits. So with the rains, when rain falls on the surface of the earth, so fruits come out, grow up. So the growth of the fruit possible when rain is there, because water is complement, water is compulsory nutrient for the growth of plants. If you sow seeds on the surface of the earth, if there is no water, the seed will never grow. So the growth of the seed depends on the water, and the rainwater, it is blessed water, is a blessed water, and it has all the nutrients that are needed for the plant. So like when the water it comes down, like rainwater, when it comes down in the atmosphere, there is nitrogen and oxygen also. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is about 20-21%. So the nitrogen and oxygen, they make nitrate, and that nitrate, it react with water. When it water falls, it takes nitrogen nitrate like with it on the surface of the earth. So nitrate is very important, and that is like a special nutrient which is needed by the plant. So the new when the water that in the form of rains falls down on the surface of the earth, it is not only water, but it has the nutrients like nitrogen, that is needed, nitrate, because the many people they just try to take fertilizers, nitrate fertilizers, just to put inside the soil, so that the growth of plants and the seed that come quickly, and the when the fruit comes into, and then fruit it should not fall down after flowering. So the nitrogen is very important nutrient that time, but that is provided by the rain. It comes through the rain from the surface of the atmosphere, then it falls on the plants, and the plant they suck it, they take it in the form of water. And also plants they also take absorb water and nutrients from the soil also, like then they take it from NPK, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and uh, uh, potassium. So this NPK, like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, these three are essential, important nutrients for the plants, and they are taken from the root here. They suck water from the surface of the soil, and and some nitrates that comes from the when water of rain comes down, it takes some of nitrate from the atmosphere to the surface of the land, to the plants. So it means the plants, they take nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium that is needed, that comes with the water of rain. It has all these things which are needed for the seed to grow and to develop, to make a fruit up to the flowering time, even to make the formation of the fruit. So that is needed. So this, because even you can see before Allah said wasama binaan, look this, the ceiling, like the canopy, there is sun, it falls, the sunlight that falls on the surface of the plant and on the leaves, because the leaves, they are in the green, because of green. So the green thing is called chlorophyll, that work like a plate. So in that one, when the below, if you look the bottom side of the leaf, there are small holes, and from the small holes, carbon dioxide goes into the leaf and they take it. So carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it goes into the leaves through small holes that are at the bottom side of the leaves. Then water that mostly suck by the, or absorbed by the root hairs from the roots, it comes up to the leaves through the tubes which are called xylem. So those comes up to the leaves, water, and also when water falls down then from the rain, so it has nutrients, so that is also sucked and come up to the leaf. So water is there in the leaves now, carbon dioxide is there. When sunlight falls on the leaves, so that is the green part, that is called chlorophyll, it absorb light. Like we, when we make food, like we put the ingredients uh, in a pot, and then we put the pot, that one, on the oven, and then in the fire, so that becomes like a food or curry or something similar situation like that one. So the plate, like the you can say the pot, that is like a leaf. So inside the leaf, when light falls, so carbon dioxide and water, that react together, and it makes glucose, or you can say sugar or starch. So that is accumulated and becomes a fruit or vegetable and our food. So like that becomes in a plant, crops and trees. So these are the sources of fruit, and for us, Allah said, and these fruits we can use flowers, we can use like for from them we can use direct fruits also. So these are the things. So, this, mashallah, Allah explained everything for us. This is the rizq for us. Allah said فَأَخْرَجَ بِهِ, and Allah take from the earth, it brings from the earth out the fruits, minas samarate, the fruits, rizq lakum, that is rizq, the special provision for us, lakum, for you. So that is the thing. So this is the thing. You can see Prophet Isa alayhi salam, he was mostly dependent on the fruits. So the fruit is the best thing, because that is not made on the fire, and because if something, the food is two types, like the fruits are the food that we take from the fire, like we prepare on the fire, like on the oven, like that way. So that food which is prepared on the oven with the fire, because the shaitan and the demons, they are made from the fire. The influence of shaitan is more on that person who is dependent mostly on that food that comes from the that prepared from the fire, like on the fire. So because the fire, the shaitan and the demons, they are made from them. So then influence of those, the you can say the waswasa, or like the intentions in mind, and different type of shatanic intervention that comes to that person more. But if a person is eating only the fruits, so because fruit has no the fire impact influence, so this way the shatanic intervention is less to that person. So that is one thing that has been explained in different books. So what Allah wants after telling about that, you can see the Allah's blessings are here too much. Like first the earth, the we are earthen people made up from earth, and then we have been sent down to the surface of the earth where all of our necessities needs are fulfilled. Then Allah said this the sky that is for you is a like the canopy or like a ceiling, so that gives you comfortable situation, like when you look up, and then also days and nights and stars and different, so we can see these things, we can enjoy, and we can make a sleepy, we can sleep, and like comfortable sleep, and also we work daytime when sun rises, day comes. Like this is the situation that Allah explained in this one. وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ or the rain that comes. You can see if the rain is not coming, then there is a problem on the surface of the earth. We can't grow the crops, vegetable, fruits, or trees, nothing. So that is rain is the Allah's blessings, because when rain comes, it comes not only water, but it comes with all the ingredients that are especially compulsory needed for the plants to grow until they give the flowers and fruits formation, and that is the thing. So this way rain play a major part in our risk. So that's why Allah said, I have done so much for you to fulfill all of your needs, not on what Allah wants from us. That is fala taj'alu, fala, so don't taj'alu, don't set up, don't make lillahi for Allah andadan, the rivals, the partners. So don't make partners of Allah. Fala taj'alu lillahi andadan, and don't make partners of Allah, don't make rivals of Allah, and don't think someone is equal to Allah. Someone is like, you don't make anyone just equal to Allah, similar to Allah. No. Allah said, I am one and only one, and there is no partner of Allah. So this must be our concrete and sound and strong belief. Allah said, Wa antum ta'lamun, and you know this one. It means, because when we have been made like in the form of souls, so we that time we declared that about the Allah, that Allah, you are one and no partner, you, we have done this that time. So Allah said, you know that I am one and I have no partner in any way. Then I want from you, after so many blessings are provided to you, after provision of so many blessings to you, I expect from you that you don't make any partner of me, and don't think any rival of me, and don't make equal with me any other one, because all the things, everyone is the creation of Allah. Allah is the only creator. So that is the thing that Allah need from us from this ayat. So Allah said, Allazi ja'ala lakumul arda, the one Allah who made this earth for us, firashan, the floor, the resting place, was samaa bina'an, and the sky as a canopy, as a ceiling for us, wa anzala, and sent down minas samai, from the sky, ma'an, water, fa akhraja, and then Allah grew out with bihi, with that, minas samarate, from the earth, the fruits, and rizq lakum, that is rizq for us, and fala taj'alu, so don't make taj'alu, don't make lillahi for Allah andadan, partners, rivals. So wa antum ta'lamun, and you know this. So the main thing is that Allah here explains that you must be careful. I expect only one thing from you. Don't make partners of Allah. Allah is one and only one. So this is thing. We have to make our belief so strong as much as we can. So we have to try as much as we can, inshallah. So make our iman more strong on Allah, that Allah is one and Allah has no partner, and these are the things which Allah gave us, and we must be thankful every time to Allah for the blessings that Allah has done on us.